See students, now you come to the last page, okay, that is 132 of this chapter. Do plant also respire? Okay, in this part what we'll be studying is, we have like nose, right? We have lungs for respiration, feces they have gills, and what does plant have for the same process? Okay, but you see trees are very tall, okay, only one part of the respiratory system, that is only the lungs or only the nose or only the gills, will not help tree to grow. Because in trees what happen, they grow from everywhere, they grow from the side, they grow from the height, they grow from the tip, right? From every part they grow. So only the limited oxygen, all right, or the limited carbon dioxide is not like fruitful, okay, will only not support the growth of the plant need more oxygen, okay, or the more diffusion of gases as compared to us. All right, that is why what happens in plant is they can breathe through the root also. There are also the opening known as root hairs, okay, these are known as root hair. They can respire from the root hair also. They can respire from the stomata in leaves also, right? They can respire from the stem also, the green part of the stem, okay, not the brown color stem of the large tree, but the green stem of the small plant also can respire. Okay, let us read here. Developing respiratory organ could not be fruitful solution for plant because of their unlimited growth. Plant grows in excess, right? We grow till certain height, but you see the tall trees, they grow, their growth is unlimited. Okay, each plant part breathe through the external layer of cell, root beneath through root hair, stem beneath through epidermis. Leaves have numerous small pores called stomata for breathing. That means plant have numerous places from where they take in air. Okay, plants also take in oxygen from the air and give out carbon dioxide. In cells, oxygen is used to break down glucose into carbon dioxide and water. And it is not that only we take oxygen, okay, plant take carbon dioxide during day, okay, but it takes oxygen also. Because see, for the breaking down of glucose, for the process of respiration, it also need oxygen. For making food, it need carbon dioxide. But for breaking food, plant also need oxygen. Okay, you don't think like plant they do not need oxygen. Okay, to make food they need carbon dioxide, but to break food they need oxygen. Okay.